Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip5 for about 48 hours now, and I just want to give you an update on my experiences with the device so far. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Yes, I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip5 for about 48 hours now, and I want to give you an update on my experiences with the device so far. In this video, I'm going to go over some things I like, some things I wish they could change, and just my overall, thoughts about the Galaxy Flip5. I'm even going to mention, my Motorola Razr Plus again, because that is, to me, the nearest competition for this Flip 5. As you can tell right there, you can see this beautiful 6.7 inch dynamic AMOLED panel. Even though it's a 1080p panel, it looks amazing. Watching YouTube, Netflix, it's a beautiful device watching those type of content, TikTok and stuff. I mean, it's just a beautiful device. I love the display on here. The display is great. So the display is a go for sure. Also, the build quality on here, I do like how it's a little bit more boxier than, say, my Motorola Razr Plus. It's a little bit boxier than that one, and so it just feels better in the hands, paws. The back there, it looks good. I wish I got a Samsung exclusive color, because it wouldn't be the shiny back on the back of here. I think that makes a big difference too, because this does attract fingerprints. But the overall build quality on here is really good. Now the next thing, build quality also goes into the hinge. Like, they are both, I mean, this is flat, man. And something about the hinge too, it just feels good when you open it. There's no stutter, there's no sound or anything. It's just, you can tell it's built with quality material and they know what they're doing. And then they got rid of the gap too, so, and I think everyone's talking about how flat that is because, again, look. Now, the difference you can tell, let's see if I can hear this. You can hear that little, and that's been there since day one on my Motorola Razr. With this one, it's not, they don't have that sound, so who knows how far this hinge will last. But I'm not dogging this phone at all. This is more about the Flip 5. Again, I wasn't the biggest fan going into this Flip devices until I got the Motorola Razr. But this is it's just built different, and it just feels different. I love the boxier design on here. The speakers is another good thing. The speakers sound amazing. Let me actually pull up a video. All right, so shout out to my man Android Stud.
Flat device, which is great. I like that.
You can see the display, but the sound is really good on here too.
Brighter screen. It has the.
If you're not following Android Stud, go follow him on his YouTube channel. One of the great creators out there, a great friend. And he's back to Android Stud, so go check out his channel.
This is really nice, man.
And you can definitely watch that video. He unboxes the Fold 5. So the speakers are really good on here. Now, in the battery life, people have been asking about battery life. It's still learning. It's still a learning process. It may get better. I don't think it's bad so far. I think it's just going to learn. I've been doing a lot of camera tests, so that does wear out the battery a lot quicker than just using it like an everyday phone. Now, testing out the cameras, I think the cameras will be good. I still have to test that out too. In 48 hours, there's only so much you can do with this device. So, especially when you have the Fold and the Flip. So there's only so much you can do. And the cameras and the battery life are something that, watch the channel. I give up updates, 1 week, 2 weeks later, a month later. So stay tuned. But so far, I think the cameras on here are really good. Now, the main thing that people would upgrade you know, from say a Flip 4 or a Flip 3 is this cover display or external display right there. This is why you will change and get an upgrade to the Flip 5. It's just because of the cover display. You also have the apps on here. You have the weather. You can do alarms, steps in here. There's more apps you can add to this beautiful little external cover display. You can get your notifications over here. You can open up the camera too by swiping up. You know, so if you want to take a picture, you can use the rear cameras here or the main cameras there. So there's a lot more you can do with the cover display. And that's one selling point of this phone this year is this cover display. You can even put the battery percentage up there, which is really good. Now, here's the cover display on my Motorola. Bam, which one did it better? Y'all let me know. But this is definitely one of the reasons why you would upgrade to this phone. Now, one thing that really gets on my nerves, and this is a Samsung thing, I know I could download Good Lock, is this horizontal app drawer. Horizontal app drawer. I know Good Lock, you can do it vertically, but I don't like downloading different apps. So I need to have it where it's vertically. The horizontal just irks me for whatever reason. The other thing with the cover display, since I mentioned Good Lock, I wish you could do more. I wish you could add more apps. With Good Lock, the rumor is that you can do more apps. You can actually get more function out of the cover display if you download Good Lock. I don't have it downloaded. I might try it out, but I'm not into like the Good Lock app, because if you're using a phone, most people will not download the Good Lock app. The only one that download it is, you know, tech nerds like myself, or ones that really want to get the most out of their Samsung phone. But a lot of people don't. Maybe I should do some videos on that so we can get people to use it more. Maybe I can get myself to use it. But the cover display is not bad. You can watch YouTube videos on there too. You know. Like I can play Android Studs video on here too.
This is nice. The other thing about the processor, slightly overclocked, which is nice.
So you can watch it on the cover display. You have maps, messages, Netflix. So the cover display is not bad at all. So that's pretty much all the little gripes I have. There's not much, you know, other things that you can really gripe about. Stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I will update y'all regularly on my experiences with the Galaxy Flip 5. I'm enjoying it. I love the flip life because sometimes you don't want to have this big phone. You just want to have this little baby phone in your pocket. I say baby phone, but it's pretty big in there, and it's a lot easier to use with one hand than say the Fold 5. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.